In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to resolve comments in Google Sheets, from finding a single comment to reopening old threads and permanently deleting them. Whether you're collaborating on a team budget, tracking project feedback, or just cleaning up a shared spreadsheet, managing comments is one of those small but essential skills that keeps your workflow smooth and your data organized. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Let's begin with the most basic task, resolving a comment. You'll know a cell has a comment attached to it when you see a small orange or yellow triangle in the top right corner of that cell. Think of that triangle as a little flag, a visual cue that someone, maybe you, maybe a colleague, has left a note, a question, or a reminder attached to that specific piece of data. This is Google Sheets' way of saying, hey, there's something here worth looking at. To open the comment, you simply hover your mouse over that cell. You don't even need to click if you're just previewing, but to see the full thread, go ahead and click right on the cell. A pop-up box will appear showing the entire comment thread with the most recent message at the bottom. Now, at the top right of that pop-up box, you'll see a small checkmark icon, and if you hover over it, it will say Resolve. Click that checkmark and the comment thread is immediately marked as resolved. What does that actually do? It doesn't delete anything, it just archives the thread so it no longer appears every time you click the cell. The orange triangle disappears and the cell looks clean again, which is great for keeping your spreadsheet clutter-free when an issue has been addressed. One best practice I recommend: always review the thread one last time before resolving, because once you resolve, you have to go back through history if you want to see it again, which we'll cover in just a moment. Now, let's say you resolved a comment by accident. Or maybe you realize later that you need to follow up on something that was already marked as done. This happens all the time in real collaboration, and Google Sheets gives you a simple way to reopen resolved comments. Look at the top right toolbar of your spreadsheet, right next to the blue share button. You'll see an icon that looks like a speech bubble with a small clock or check mark on it. That's the Open Comment History button. Click it and a side panel will slide in from the right, showing all the comment activity across your entire sheet. By default, it might show you unresolved or recent comments, but you want to filter your view. Inside that panel, there's a drop-down menu, typically at the top of the panel, that lets you choose between unresolved comments, resolved comments, and all comments. Select resolved comments, and you'll see every thread that has ever been resolved. Scroll through the list until you find the one you want, and when you click on it, you'll notice a blue reopen button right inside the thread. Click that, and the comment thread jumps back onto the original cell, complete with its orange triangle and all its history intact. This is incredibly useful for ongoing projects where a decision might need to be revisited, or if you simply clicked resolve too quickly. One tip: if you're working on a very busy sheet with dozens of resolved threads, you can also use the search bar in that history panel to find a comment by keyword. Just type part of the message and it will filter down for you. But what if you want to remove a comment completely, not just archive it? That's where permanent deletion comes in. Resolving is like putting a paper note in a filing cabinet. Deleting is like shredding it. You have two ways to access the delete option. The first is by clicking directly on the cell with the orange triangle, which opens the comment pop-up. On the upper right side of any individual comment within the thread, you'll see 3 vertical dots. That's the More Options icon. Click those dots and a small menu appears with the option to delete. The second way is through that comment history panel we just used. Find the comment thread, click the 3 dots there as well, and choose delete. Either way, Google Sheets will ask you to confirm, because once a comment is deleted, it's gone for good. There is one catch that's really important to know. You can only delete comments that you yourself created. If a coworker left a comment on a cell, you won't see the delete option on their messages. You can only resolve the thread to archive it. This is a privacy and accountability feature built into Google Sheets, so you can't remove someone else's feedback. My advice: before you delete a comment, consider whether you might need that information for an audit trail or future reference. If there's any chance you'll want to look back at the discussion, just resolve it instead. Deleting is best for stray marks, outdated notes, or test comments that you made and no longer serve a purpose. So let's quickly recap what you've learned today. You now know how to resolve a comment by clicking the check mark on the pop-up box, how to reopen a resolved comment from the comment history panel, and how to permanently delete a comment that you own. Managing comments in Google Sheets gives you much better control over collaboration, keeping your spreadsheets clean while preserving the conversation history when you need it. A great next step is to practice this on a copy of a shared spreadsheet. Play around with resolving and reopening on test cells so you feel confident when you're working on real data. And if you ever find yourself in a situation where a comment thread feels cluttered, remember you can also reply directly in the thread to keep the conversation organized rather than resolving prematurely. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, consider saving it to a playlist so you can come back to these steps whenever you need them. I'll see you in the next one.